Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this video today actually because it's another highly requested video. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram and people were just like loving the way I did my lips and they just looked fuller and looked just very nice. So I'm excited to show you guys today how to make your lips appear bigger with like no lip injections. Super simple. I'm excited to show you guys how I achieved that look in my photo. Of course, before we get started on this video, if you guys could give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and also remember to turn on your post notifications. Alrighty, so let's get into the video. As you can see, I have full glam on. The only thing I haven't done yet is my lips, obviously, because that is the main attraction, the topic, the numero uno, el jefe today. Really just gonna teach you guys at least how I make my lips appear bigger, fuller, juicier, sexier, whatever you want to achieve without lip injections. I also do want to say I don't have anything against lip injections. You know, you do you, boo. I just personally don't need them. I don't feel like I need them. I feel like I can just use makeup to achieve how I like them to look. So I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in a little bit on my lips so you guys can get a close-up. What's up close and personal? How you guys doing? So as you can see, like my lips look a little light, and it is because of my foundation. I do end up putting foundation over my lips, and the reason why people do this is just because it's a blank slate. Like, you know, if you have really pink lips, just really pigmented lips, sometimes if you just put like foundation over it and some powder, it just makes it a very neutral space to work on. So when it comes to making your lips look fuller, it's all about like shadows and lighting. It's just like contouring your face. So what you're gonna actually do is whatever colors that you want to work with, you're gonna take the darker color and you're gonna actually line the outside of your lips with that darker color. And if you would like, obviously, to make your lips look bigger, you're going to overline your lips just a tiny bit, either with a pencil or with a liquid lipstick. Either one works. To show you guys how I achieved that look on my Instagram pic, I'm going to start with this Ciate London. It's their liquid velvet in the color Days. So this is the darker color that I'm actually going to be lining around my lips. And like I said, you want to overline your lips just like a little sprinkle, a little smudge. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna fill in kind of like these corners in the middle right here and give like a little pocket for the lighter color to go in. So next I'm actually gonna use the Kylie Jenner liquid matte color in Dolce K, and I'm going to go over kind of like that little pocket in most of my lip. And then also what I like to do is I'll take my finger and actually blend it in. And then this shadowing and highlighting gives this effect of like more pillowy, fluffy lips. But we're not stopping here. I'm actually gonna go in with another light shade. It is also by Kylie Cosmetics. It's actually her collab with Courtney. So it is the kind of the lip matte or lip velvet in the color French Kiss. Now this color automatically is just like way too light for my complexion, so I never use it alone. I only use it to fill the center of my lips and to make them look fuller. Since this color is so bright, I'm not gonna use a lot of it. I'm actually just gonna do a little bit in the center on both lips, and then I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. And you see how that like pop of color even like accentuates that highlight and like pillowy-ish lips already, just a little bit in the center just to really like pop. Now you can either stop here if you really like the matte look. I'm actually going to take it one step further. This is what I did on my pics. I'm actually going to add a gloss over it to make it look shiny and like a gloss. So I'm gonna go in with another Kylie Cosmetics product. It's her lip gloss. It's her high shine gloss in Lost Angel, and it's this nice like white pink color. See, and just adding the gloss, I feel like just makes your lips look like obviously shinier and like juicier. It just has like a different type of effect than a matte look has. So what do you guys think? This is how I achieved my lips on my Instagram post, and it's really up to your discretion of how much you overline your lips, how you shape your lips. That's all up to your discretion and what kind of look that you want to achieve. This is just how I do my lips. This is how I did it in that photo, and I know you guys wanted to see. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know that it was a really like quick tutorial, but it, like I said, it's really quick and it's really easy, and then once you just keep practicing and getting it down, it just gets faster and faster. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look, and you can do it with any color combination that you want. You could do it with reds, obviously nude colors, pinks. Just make sure that that outer color is darker than the one that you're applying in the middle to give that illusion, shadow, highlighty, pillowy, luscious look. Also, before we sign out, I am going to plug my brand. So today the lashes that I'm wearing are by my brand, Lavish Essence, and they're actually in the style Tease. This one has like so much wisp length, just so much extraness, but in a good way. This is definitely like our wispiest lash, and loving her. She is beautiful, she is sexy, she's adorable, and I know she'll look great on anyone that buys them. Alrighty guys, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and you also, most importantly, comment down below what you guys think. Do you guys have tips and tricks of how you guys make your lips look fuller? Do you guys have any tips for me? Do you have any questions for me? Also, make sure that you comment videos and content that you want to see, because I would love to film and create content for you guys and what you guys want. So just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I will see you guys next time.